Today we are going to talk about EpicPxls, a platform designed to help you build stunning websites fast using ready-made templates. Many freelancers, small business owners, and content creators struggle to design websites because creating them from scratch takes time, technical skills, and often expensive tools. EpicPxel is built to simplify this by giving you a beautiful templates and an easy way to use platform so you can launch your website quickly without coding. In this video, I will explain what EpicPxel is, its key feature, who it is best for, and how the lifetime deal works through AppSumo. Just welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to create, launch, and manage online projects using easy methods and practical tools. If this type of content is helpful to you, make sure to subscribe this channel. Also check the link from description to explore EpicPxel and any available lifetime offers. When you use the description link, any deal or benefit will be applied automatically, so you don't need to enter any code. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, EpicPxel is a template-based website builder. Instead of starting from a blank canvas, you can select a wide variety of pre-designed templates for different industries and purposes. Whether you want a portfolio, business site, e-commerce store, or landing page, EpicPxels has ready-to-use designs that look professional. One of the most useful features is drag and drop editor. You can customize your chosen template by moving elements, changing text, colors, and images without touching any code. This makes your website creation fast and accessible even if you have no technical experience. Another important feature is responsive design. All templates are built to automatically adjust your desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. This ensures that your website looks great on any screen without extra work. EpicPxels also support the integration with common tools and services. You can connect contact forms, email marketing platform, and social media accounts directly to your website, helping you to manage leads and grow your audience seamlessly. Another helpful feature is built-in hosting and SSL. You don't need to purchase hosting separately or worry about security certificate because EpicPxels include hosting and automatically secures your website, giving you peace of mind. EpicPxel is especially useful for freelancers, small business owner, content creators, and even anyone who wants a professional website without spending weeks to learning complicated website builders or hiring a designer. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal through AppSumo. EpicPxel is available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo, which means you pay once and you get the long-term access to the platform. This is ideal who wants to build multiple websites without recurring monthly fees. The first year is usually suitable for the individual or the small projects. It includes access to a selection of templates, drag and drop editor, basic integration, which is enough to get a professional looking websites online quickly. The next year is better for growing businesses. You get more template, additional customization option, more storage, advanced integration, and this is helpful if you want to manage multiple websites or include additional functionality to your e-commerce or membership websites. The higher tiers are designed for agencies or professional designers. These plans offer 60 to 80 numbers of websites and it gives you the priority support, premium template, and advanced feature that gives you full flexibility to handle multiple client projects efficiently. If you want to create a stunning website in just a minute, save time on design, and avoid the technical headaches, EpicPxels can be a smart tool to explore. You can check the lifetime deal through AppSumo by using the description link, and any available benefits that will be applied automatically without using any code. Overall, EpicPxel is a beginner-friendly and powerful website builder that helps freelancers, small business owners, and creators to launch professional website fast, stay organized, and focus on growing their online presence. So that's it basically for today's video about EpicPxel and its lifetime deal through AppSumo. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe this channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.